Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and we will take a look at the market share for April of 2020 of all the different Windows versions. So of course we had numbers for the different Windows 10 operating system market share a week ago, and now we're taking a look at the general Windows market shares. So according to GStat Counter, Windows 10 is now at 73.1% of all Windows versions. That's a steady increase, as you see here, and we moved from 71 to 73.14, which is a 2% increase. This is a fast increase, and we see that the increase of Windows 10 has been very fast in the past few months. I think it has to do with the fact that a lot of people moving from Windows 7 to something else, which is a good thing, and I'm sure Microsoft is happy. Windows 7, 19.4%, and then we look here, and it was 21.1, drops to 19.4. It's almost 2% drop. That pretty much accounts for why Windows 10 is moving up so fast. Also, that means that Windows 7's versions are now really going down fast. And you could see here that there's really, starting with December 2019 and looking forward, there's really a fast decline of Windows 7 here, which is kind of interesting. Then we have, of course, Windows 8 and 8.1 together. If we put them together, they're at 6% of market share. Windows XP at 0.89 and Windows Vista 0.45. Old machines still lingering on. So, pretty fast increase. Windows 10, pretty amazing at 73.1% of all Windows. We had numbers. We now know that there's 1 billion devices running Windows 10. So this is pretty crazy. And Windows 7 is really declining fast. So it's going to be interesting to see as we end 2020 where it will be when we get into December. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.